Fibonacci Retracement Strategy. We have learned about all the tools and basics you will need to use in this strategy. This Fibonacci retracement strategy is only used for riding the trends. So the first thing you have to do is to find the direction of the market. That is, if the price is moving up or the price is moving down. We have to remember that the trend is our friend, and we should not try to go against the trend. If the market is in an uptrend or bullish, then we have to look for buying opportunities. If the market is in a downtrend or bearish, then we have to focus on selling opportunities. Finally, if the price is ranging, then you have to stay out of the market. To know the direction of the market, you can either use a trend line or make normal highs and lows. Any one would do. Here on our chart, the first thing you have to do is to find the direction of the market. We have a higher high over here. Price retrace back to create a higher low. Then the price moves up to create a higher high. Price retrace back to create a higher low. Then the price moves up to create a higher high. Now we have identified the direction of the market. Quick question. What is the direction of the market here? The answer is simple. The market is in an uptrend or bullish trend. Then we have to look for buying opportunities. So use your Fibonacci tool to connect the higher low to the higher high over here. We are going to use only 3 Fibonacci ratios, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.786. The next step is to find extra confirmations like a candlestick pattern or support and resistance zones at those Fibonacci levels. Notice how price creates some sort of resistance over here before the price rallied higher. We can plot out the resistance level. The resistance level is acting as a confluence to the 0.618 Fibonacci level. So we can look for a buy entry at the 0.618 Fibo level. Place your buy entry here. Place stop loss below the swing low over here. Place take profits at the swing high over here. That's about a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Here is the result. Notice how price reacts at our confluence zone before rallying upward into profit.